Tornado emergency for the St. Louis metropolitan area. This is a mass casualty situation. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for St. Louis County in eastern Missouri, the city of St. Louis in eastern Missouri, until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, storm spotters and National Weather Service Doppler radar were tracking an extremely large and violent tornado producing catastrophic to apocalyptic damage located near Chesterfield, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for the St. Louis metropolitan area. This is a mass casualty situation with total destruction expected. Hazard: unprecedented and catastrophic tornado. Source: storm spotters reported violent wedge tornado crossing Interstate 64. At 12:47 a.m., a storm spotter reported unprecedented damage at the Spirit of St. Louis Airport. At 12:49 a.m., a debris ball on Doppler radar estimated that the tornado was approximately 3 miles wide and had wind speeds of approximately 325 miles per hour. Residents of the St. Louis metropolitan area, wherever you are, seek an underground shelter immediately. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. You will be killed if not underground, or not in a tornado shelter. Complete destruction of entire neighborhoods is almost certain. Almost all well-built structures will be completely swept from their foundations. Trees will block almost all roadways. Mass devastation is almost certain, making the area unrecognizable to survivors. Flying debris will cause certain death to anyone caught outside. Extended power outages are likely lasting for days, weeks, or even months. Mobile homes and above-ground buildings will offer you no protection from this tornado. Locations in or near the path of the tornado include downtown St. Louis, Town and Country, Crystal Lake Park, Westwood, Frontenac, Huntley, Lodway, Brentwood, Clayton, Richmond Heights, and Maplewood. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Repeating, a large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: St. Louis, and the city of St. Louis.